There is no doubt that 27th October 1947 is the darkest day of Jammu and Kashmir, because Indian armed troops were flown into Srinagar. They invaded Kashmir and occupied illegally and forcibly the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and they started aggressive policies. India started aggressive policies, imposed harsh laws over Jammu and Kashmir to annex it for all times. But it's a fact that the people of Kashmir, with their full faith in freedom and determination, they fight against this illegal occupation. Although the United Nations had passed numerous resolutions on plebiscite in Kashmir, but India, despite agreeing to these resolutions, did not obey the orders of the United Nations. The people of Kashmir have full faith in their struggle, in their ideology of freedom, and in their victory.